Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. We are on the last day of the Halloween makeup series, look number 10. And as you can see by the title, the thumbnail, and my get up here, we are doing Fiti from Moana, the earth goddess. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert right here how I made the actual costume part, and then we'll get into the makeup next. So I actually had no idea how I was gonna do this. I just ordered a bunch of different types of moss I saw on Amazon. And this one that you will see on my top and the sleeves that came with this top, I just happened to have a green top. Like I said, I had no idea how I was gonna do this. You could buy a green top. I would suggest, using a green top. So there's a green underneath this. But yeah, I had a green top that had sleeves, so I put this on that in the sleeves and also the hair. So I took the sleeves and slid it onto a can of hairspray that I had because it was like almost the size of my arm. So I did that, sprayed it with Loctite because that's what I had, adhesive spray, and then just attached it like that. I did that with the top, the sleeves, and the hair I did on a do-rag. So yeah, pretty simple. And then for the flower crown, I got this other type of moss that's like garland almost, that I'm just gonna stick little flowers in when we get to that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the makeup. I'm gonna put my hair up. But I feel like what will work really well too for the hair is if you had like a super tight curl pattern wig, like blonde, and dyed it this shade of green. I think that would be like even cooler. So we'll be using the Mehron makeup palette for the most part. If I do any eyeshadows, which I might do, I'll be using this rainbow palette that I have. I have no idea where this came from. I discovered I had it in the last video for the Cleopatra makeup. I don't know where this came from. I don't know if somebody bought it for me. I don't know if I bought it, but I never used it, and I found it in like my pile of makeup stuff that I had. So these will be the two palettes we'll probably be working in mostly. But first, since our eyebrows are going to be green, so this is the darkest green and the Mehron makeup palette. Should I try that? Maybe mix it with a little bit of, I don't know the color wheel that well, so I don't know how to mix stuff to make it like a darker shade of green. We're gonna try mixing it with this green, this one, and black. This didn't go well when I tried to mix shades for Chucky, so let's see how this looks. Okay, that's actually not bad. I like that. I like that, I like that, I like that. Yes, yes, that's a good green. Okay, we're off to a good start. I love that. Let's hope I get the same shade on this brow. If I mix them equally, I think we got it. Okay, so I don't know what happened to the clip of me telling y'all what I'm using for like the base and everything. So I'm gonna do a voiceover. I'm using this green from the Mehron palette, and I mixed a little bit of yellow and a little bit of brown for this part. I will get back to the eyebrows and like filling in that space, but I ended up moving on to highlight. So for that, I used the same green, but I used more yellow than I did with the base for this shade. So I used more yellow and again a little bit of brown. Now we're going to take the You Can Be setting powder that came with my Athena palette. I got off of Amazon, but I'm sure you can get this separate or just use any translucent setting powder. And we're going to set everything. I'm going to start with the highlighted areas first with the lighter shades, and then I'll just go over everything else last. Okay, and then for contour and eyeshadow, I'm going to be using these two green shades from the Rainbow palette and this brown. The brown helps kind of give it like a more mossy shade of green-ish, or like a murky type of green almost. And now I'm just going to dust off any excess powder with this fluffy brush. And I also took some white eyeshadow and placed here just to make like the under eye area brighter. I do not like this, but it's okay because I'm not redoing it. I don't know what I'm doing wrong though. It's like super splotchy on the under eye part, like not here. It's just like where the brighter parts are. Anyways, y'all, we're also going to take those same shades that we contoured with to place on the under eye. And then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner black liquid eyeliner to do a wing. Now I'm taking a black eyeliner pencil and going in my waterline with that. And for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Bubble Mascara. Next, we're going to apply some lashes. I'm using my Juvia's Place lashes in the style Kush. And I'm using Duo Lash Glue to apply that. And for the lips, I ended up using that same green that we used for the base in the beginning, but I mixed it, I think, with a little bit of black and some brown. All right, I'm gonna put the green that we used for the base on my neck and I'll be back. All right, I'm going to put these sleeves on now. I'm not sure if I can pull these sleeves up all the way to my shoulder, but I'm gonna see. Yes! Even though the makeup is splotchy, but I feel like the outfit is helping. So now, I gotta put the contacts in and then we can do the hair. I'm gonna do that off camera because I can't. All right, contacts are in. I hate this makeup, like it looks so bad. And of course I mess up over here. My eyes started watering and then all this was gone. Like all the makeup was gone. Like as soon as water hits it, it's gone. And I feel like you can kind of tell that I had to patch it up and it was already patchy. Like it already looks bad, but I'm not redoing it. I already took this off and started over once, so I'm just not doing it again. Can I make these green, my lashes? I'm gonna try it with the excess that's on the spoolie when I did my brows. All right, let's put the hair on and see what we need to add to it, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to add some extra moss. I'm gonna take these sleeves off until I do all that. So I think I mentioned I tied this on, I glued this to a do-rag just so it's easier to put on. I don't want to put it on like a wig cap and then I stretch it and like the glue had dried and it popped something loose and you know. So I just glued it to a do-rag so I can just tie it around my head, real simple like. So this is what the moss looks like, by the way, and it's not messy. That's another thing I like about it. Some of the other moss that I bought is super messy and I'm glad I didn't have to use it, but it just like, you can stretch it like this and it's a lot of it. I only use 1 pack to do all this. I bought 3 packs, but didn't even need the other 2. Okay, we're gonna add some more in here. I wonder if I can bobby pin it in there because I don't want to glue this. I'm gonna spray that Loctite with it on my head. That's kind of crazy. I'm hoping I can just find somewhere to stick it and pin it. If I had a shirt that had long sleeves, a green shirt, that would have been perfect. And I could have just glued it down the long sleeves and just had the whole shirt on. Oh my god, y'all, it looks so good. I did that, finding this moss. And it's lightweight. Like, all right, let's do the flower crown and we'll be done. So this is a little piece I have. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I want it to be rolled twice so that it's thick enough. It might not even need that, but see, this is messy. Like, it's all this is just falling everywhere. See, with this, I can make it as wide as I need to. Oh my god, this looks so good. I'm so proud of this, even though the makeup is hideous, but the rest of it looks so good. I'm just gonna stick some flowers in here. I had these already, but I got them from Hobby Lobby. Are you kidding me? I'm just so good. Oh my god, I love this. And if you're going out, like I said, I would do the long sleeve top that you could glue the moss to. This Loctite isn't holding very well, but I don't know what else to suggest to use. That's just what I had. It's not even something that I just picked to use specifically for this. We just happen to have that and I didn't have nothing else. But yeah, do the long sleeves and then put the moss on that. All right, y'all, and we are done. This is the finished look. I'm so excited. I'm happy with it. Even though the makeup is ugly, it doesn't even matter because look how good the costume looks. Like, it looks so realistic. Like, I look like her. I look like that girl. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments. Sadly, this is the last video of this series, even though YouTube will be getting them super late. But I had fun though. I enjoyed the little series. It was a lot. I'm a better plan next year if I do this again. Like, better plan my content days and like, because it was a lot. Y'all let me know which one's your favorite look out of this whole series. And yeah, that is it for this video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.